Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bubble letter X. First, lightly sketch a basic block letter X, about 3 inches tall, using a pencil. These initial lines will serve as your foundation. Make sure to leave at least 1/2 inch of space around these lines. This space is crucial for creating the inflated, rounded appearance of your bubble letter. Keep your lines light, as you will erase them later. Now, let's add some depth. Draw a second, parallel line around each of the 4 segments of your initial X. Aim for a consistent distance, perhaps 1/4 inch from your guidelines. Then, connect the ends of these parallel lines with smooth, rounded curves, avoiding sharp corners. Envision the letter as a soft, inflated object, giving it a 3-dimensional, bubbly appearance. It is time to refine your bubble letter. Gently erase all of the original pencil guidelines that are now inside your new bubble shape. Next, use a darker pen or fine tip marker to carefully outline the entire bubble letter, making the edges crisp and clear. To add more volume, consider adding subtle shading to one side of each segment, perhaps using a lighter gray or a slightly darker pencil. For the final touches, consider adding small highlights to the top or side of your bubble letter, perhaps using a white gel pen to give it a glossy, reflective look. You can also experiment with different colors, patterns, or even a drop shadow to personalize your X. Practice drawing bubble letters in various sizes and angles to develop your own unique and expressive style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.